Alright, I want to thank everybody again for tuning in to my channel. Today I'm finna get ready to make chicken fajitas. But I ain't just making normal chicken fajitas, I'm making chicken fajita pie. That's a lick I came up with myself. And right now I already washed my chicken off. I want you to know I just always pre-prep my stuff because I'm doing everything by myself. So it's a must you always wash your food off first, which I always do. And I'm going to take this chicken breast and I'm going to cut it up in strips. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, and sazon. I don't put anything else on my stuff. I don't use taco seeds and all that. All that stuff too salty and it's just a normal taste. I'm going to put 2 packs of sazon seasoning on it as well. Add the rest of the garlic powder and onion powder. Another pack of Sazon seasoning. And last but not least, y'all already know, a little full plate with the meat first. Which is a must. You got to get it rubbed all in there. You got to sex them real good. Okay. Next thing I'm finna get ready to do, I'm already oil to the grill. As I'm finna sit and I'm finna get ready and put these joints on the grill. Now I'm going to add this joint on the grill. Chicken fajita pie. This is a lick I came up with myself. Try this here, y'all will love it. I'm also going to mix green peppers and onions with it. I'm going to sit and I'm going to put these joints over with. I like mine in big pieces. And this time I added olive oil to it, so you know, a lot of times I use butter. Cut this up a little bit more. It's a chicken fajita pie. It's a lick I come up with myself. I'm talking about just that thing for real. A lick you'll love. Just because I ain't no Mexican and I'm black don't mean I can't fix them just as good as Mexicans. I fix them better. Now I'm going to sit and I'm going to add these bell peppers and onions to the lick. Yep, chicken fajita pie. It's one of my specials. I'm going to show y'all how I'm going to do this here. chicken fajita pie. Yes, sir. Couple more minutes, that liquor be ready. You already see how sexy that joint looking. Yeah. Chicken fajita pie. Did my way. You try this recipe, you're gonna love this recipe. It's something different. But try it. Look at that. That's just looking outstanding. Everything coming along just right. Yeah, the real deal. The real deal. Chicken fajita pilau. This thing, yeah. Now, I'm going to show you how the rest of it, what I'm going to do. I'm going to add rice to it. Now, I'm going to add some rice to the shell. I'm going to show you how I do this here. Chicken fajita pie. You try this recipe, I promise you, you're going to love it. And it's different. Alright, I'm going to add some cheese to this joint now. I'm going to add some cheese to it now. I'll show you how I do this here. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm finna add some squeezed cheese to the shell. So now I'm gonna get ready to take that joint off. Chicken fajita pie. I'm gonna show y'all how this here go. Yeah. Ghetto chef idea here. Chicken fajita pie. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of squeezed cheese and I'm going to put on top of it. And like I tell you all the time, I prefer Miracle Whip, not sour cream. And I'm going to put this on top of that joint. A chicken fajita pie. And when that joint cools for about 30 seconds, the shell comes together and it sticks. And I'm going to show you what it looked like after 30 seconds. Now that joint done cooled off. Chicken fajita pie. This is my ideal I come up with. Then I come down the middle and I cut that joint. Just like if it was a pie. Don't nothing come loose. It's still there. Come down the middle. Put that piece of chicken right in front of there. And there you go. You hear me? There you go. Just like a motherfucking pilau. And that's the real deal. And that's it. A brilliant dish. It tastes delicious. You got to try it. It's something that I come up with. That liquor bomb. Y'all need to try it for real. And I want y'all to sit and follow my channel. Subscribe to my channel. Share my videos. Give me a thumbs up. Like I say, some comments is better than no comments. I wouldn't give a fuck if you gonna tell me fuck me. I don't care about it. But if you like it, tell me. Either one, it don't make a difference. I want y'all to stay blessed. And I'll see y'all next time. And you know, that's what I do. It's chicken fajita pie. Doing it, you know what I'm saying, ghetto style. But the Mexican, them is my buddies. And I'll holler at y'all next time. Blessings.